Hello everybody. We're up really early, basically at sunrise, to wait for Home Depot to deliver the new refrigerator, and I can barely talk because I'm so tired. They're supposed to call a half an hour before they decide to show up, which can be anytime between 8:30 in the morning and 12:30 in the afternoon. And it is 5 minutes to 8, so they could call 5 minutes from now, or they could call who knows when, between now and 12:30, so we had to be up early to make sure we're ready. The cats are trying to tip a chair over to make sure we're up and ready when they show up and when they call.
There's wide open, it'll go.
Hello. Hi. This is John here.
Hi, John.
How are you doing today?
Good, how you guys doing?
Look like the one you guys ordered?
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Alright.
Yeah, it matches with the stove behind you. That's why we're
Alright. That's definitely a start. Preset in the factory, 0 in the freezer, 37 in the fridge. They do recommend that as the most efficient.
Okay.
Other than that, I just need a signature and a picture of the appliance. Sign there, print there, states that we delivered the appliance and turn on the building in the process. At least we try not to.
Oh, yeah. Got any trash or anything you need me to grab? Thanks, guys. I'm gonna work that.
Alrighty, like I was saying, my company does give you guys 48
Thanks,
hours.
John.
Yep, thank you.
You, guys have a good day. You too. Take care.
So on your guys' receipt here, I will be leaving you with my warehouse's number, just in case there is any issues with this thing at all.
Okay.
So here's the receipt.
All right.
That's my warehouse's number on it.
Okay.
Other than that, I can get this quick photo. I say quick, but I'm trying to take this thing. Yeah. Perfect. Alrighty. Other than all that, you guys may receive a survey call. Has nothing to do with the appliance or any previous delivery team. Just how me and John did for you guys today. I know we didn't do a whole lot, but they will base us on 1s or 5s, and the 5s are very important.
Yep.
Alright, thank you guys.
All right. Thank you very much. You guys drive safe. Take care.
Thank you.
Well, there it is. The only thing Don has to do yet, before we start putting the food and stuff in it, is reverse the doors. Because they open like this.
Well, if you do put food in, just don't put nothing in the doors.
Yeah, and then we'll have to do this number taking food out, so he's going to reverse the doors.
Yep.
But it's really nice.
Yeah.
It has an LED light in it. It runs really quiet. And there's a lot of room. There we go.
Definitely a bigger freezer.
Yeah.
Just check this one, the freezer to pull the stuff out.
No, there was just this. I got it.
And I see 2 pieces of
Oh.
foam in there.
Oh yeah, foam and tape he's been pulling off there.
Lots of it too.
Yeah,
There you go.
but yep, there it is. The new refrigerator. It is taller and bigger than the old one. So it almost didn't fit there.
Well,
But I made sure I had the measurements right when we ordered it. So I knew it was going to. Just it's a whole lot less room up there than before, but that's alright because I don't want a bunch of stuff on top of the refrigerator this time. That looked pretty sloppy. I already, everything that was up there, I already put it away somewhere else.
Inches.
What?
I said, yep, 1 1/4 inches.
Is all that's left?
Yeah, for back here, yeah.
Well, that's alright.
From this bottom lip here to
Yeah.
the top of the fridge going 1 1/4 inches.
Yep. And of course the refrigerator matches the stove. They're both from the same set. So that's good. Now they match. Yay. There. He just finished switching the doors. So now it's all set. Now we can put the food in it. But now it opens the right way. For this setup, house setup anyway. So everything is officially set up. All the food up here. Everything down here. Lots of room, especially in the door. Wow. And I put the rest of the magnets in here on the floor freezer, whatever you want to call it, because there were just way too many magnets. So I divided them up. White Storm, is that a great big bowl that you're drinking out of? Or is it a swimming pool? Is that your swimming pool, White Storm? Yeah, look at me like I'm crazy. So we took a nap because we were both really tired, and now here we are again. But what do you think of the new refrigerator? Are you happy about it? Do you like it?
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it'll keep you cold.
I hope so.
And when I stuff you in there.
Oh, okay. And then the cats are trying to look underneath it, but they can't. They could look underneath the old one all the time. They'd always lay there and watch under there. Now they can't at all. They're confused. Right, everybody? Right, all you cats? Silly.
Send them all back home.
Don't let them out the door.
Send them all back home.
No.
Get them back up to mom's butts.
No. Oh yeah, there's Smokey trying to DoorDash. No, you don't. No, no, no. Yep, bye-bye. Go away.
He says it's called dine and dash.
Why? He wasn't eating.
He's eaten plenty of times. Now he's trying to dash.
All
Dine
right.
and dash.
Well, it's been a really busy day, and we're still pretty tired. Dinner's in the oven, and we're just going to relax for the rest of the night and probably find something to watch. Maybe we'll finish Letterkenny tonight because I think we were pretty close to the end last night when we went to bed. So we're going to say goodnight, and we hope you enjoyed the video and that you like, subscribe, comment, share, and you're having a good night. Say goodnight.
Say good morning.
And we'll see you tomorrow.